Hai, Assalamualaikum. Selamat kembali ke Hi Slim Channel, channel yang memaparkan gameplay horror, dark side, psychological criminal, dan seakatan dengannya. Okay, kita punya video mostly banyak yang ringkas-ringkas je. Okay, so supaya korang boleh tonton dengan relax, chill bersama keluarga tersayang. Dah cak iklan dah aku baca ni. Okay, so untuk malam dah ke? Masih pagi kot. Okay, so untuk kali ni kita akan main game Tales After Midnight. Oh, dia ada episod punya. Yang ni episod 1. Right, so tajuk untuk Tales After Midnight adalah Guest at Night. Okay, aku dapat game ni daripada H2IO. Okay, dia tak ada setting, dia ada play and quit saja. So tanpa membuang masa, jom kita main. Let's go play. By the way, sebelum tu pesanan awal-awal, aku harap that okay, aku main game ni, aku tak tahu sound akan okey ke tidak tau. Okay, sebabnya aku punya setting hari tu dah mana, aku tak ingat dah setting dia. Okay, sebab setting hari tu aku tak ingat lah. Dia dah lari setting, tapi aku harap okey lah kot setting yang terbaru ni. Okay, dah, jom. Static Mind presents 2 years ago. Tak silap aku baca juga game ni dia macam based on true event. I don't know. In a small town called Redwood, Pennsylvania, a quiet place that safer than to watch. Small apartment, but it was just 2 of us since that died, and somehow the silent at home always felt. Okay, college. That was actually kind to me. The bills keep piling up. She still health wasn't getting any better. Kenapa epic sangat buat conversation ni? Bunyi pum pum. Dengar bunyi pum pum. Kan macam bunyi epic gila kan? Padahal cakap ni je nak ada apa, cepat time je pun. Bagus kita ni. Kita punya bro, right? Bagi kita punya kata apa ni, since had been distant lately, I think she was just tired of worrying about me. I didn't tell her about job yet. I didn't know how she react. Oi, mak kau. Hey, biasa aku terkejut dengan hantu lah. Ini dengan orang. Linda. Sekejap. Apa ni? Sekejap. You've been late all this, Emma. Kenapa Emma pula? Ke sekarang ni kita dalam POV kakak, adik kakak, I don't know, kakak kot. Betul lah, Emma. Mana come on, it's nothing like that. You say that every time. Okay. Pula kakak dia pun nak jadi part time juga. What? Ni Route 24, sama macam adik dia. Terima kasih Linda, tapi jangan buat aku terkejut macam tu. Okay, sekarang ni yang buat kereta sama ada Emma ataupun okay, alright, faham. Oh, Jalan kosong. Tak ada ni. Oh, drift skate. Oh, cool evening, there's a Redwood Country Public Radio with tonight locals new. Orang kita. Aduh, cermin belakang nampak ni. Sip lah. Yang woman early. Women. Ui. Macam mana ni kita mandu pun nak, baca pun nak. Dark clothing at the time of the crime. Betul sekali. Oi, mak kau. Minyak habis. Tak nak buat apa? Pergi isi minyak ke? Yang penting drift dulu. Yes. Aku pun tak nampak. It almost midnight when I reached the gas station. It's open 24 hours. I didn't really just quiet. Too quiet. Okay. Let's get this done. Fill the car tank. Dia dah bayar ke belum cerita dia kan? Oi. Oi, kita pakai ini tu. Hijau tu. Cerita ni. Kalau tak lagi hose dekat ni. Kat kereta. Late Petro card reader. Ada ke? Petro card reader. Ni ke? Oh, Mastercard weh. Abang, okey tu? Okay.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Your card, it didn't go through.
Ma'am, so aku adalah Emma.
No, ma'am, it didn't. You'll have to come inside. We can sort it out here.
Whoa. This guy is really suspicious, man. Cakap je dari situ, bukan kat tengah pun.
Please, ma'am. Just come inside for a moment. It'll only take a minute.
Aduh, saja tu nak ngorak kita. Probably
Ma'am, please. If you don't come up here right now, I'll have to call the police.
Apa?
Ma'am, get away from the car. Don't go near it.
Alah. Kejap bang.
There's someone inside your car.
Oh. Goosebump. Scary bro. Kaki that the clerk saw him. Oh, sorry bang. Kita telah bersangka buruk terhadap dia. Saya minta maaf. Sorry.
Huh?
Nampak inspired from true event. Baru nak start ke? Lah, baru nak start. Sekejap. What is happening, man? Oh, game ni bukan game survival Bukan. Okay guys, aku tak expect game dia short macam ni. Sebabnya dia punya file dia besar juga sebenarnya. Aku download. Okay, tapi tak expect that. Macam ni je. Okay, dia macam game jalan cerita. Kita SPOV. Okay, kita menghadapi kita lah POV-nya. Okay, dia macam storytelling punya cerita lah, right? Cuma kita berdialog. Alright. Okay, ini episode 1. Okay, tak apa. Aku end kat sini. Okay, nanti aku akan main untuk episode 2 punya. Tengok macam mana. Alright. Tapi aku tak boleh nak letak harapan tinggi lah yang kita akan bergerak sana sini, mandi macam game-game survival sebelum ni. Tapi okay, buat masa ni aku rasa aku nak follow lagi game ni, Tales After Midnight. So kita jumpa di episod yang kedua. Okay, thanks for watching and keep supporting. Alright, thank you so much. Jumpa lagi, bye. Peace, yo.